Are you looking for the best laptop desk? In this video, we will look at some of the best laptop desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Go Green Home Laptop Notebook Desk. Furino Go Green series is designed to fit in your space, your style, and fit on your budget. It is easily assembled and fit into any of your home decor. The medium-density composite wood is manufactured in Malaysia and compliant with CARB regulations. There is no foul smell, durable, and the material is the most stable amongst the medium-density composite woods. The PVC tubes are made from recycled plastic and is tested for its durability. The non-woven bin simply add in a sweet accent to the whole unit. A simple attitude towards lifestyle is reflected directly on the design of Furino furniture, creating a trend of simply nature. Care instructions. Wipe clean with clean damp cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals. Pictures are for illustration purpose. All decor items are not included in this offer. Number 2. Tribesigns Laptop Desk. Tribesigns modern simple computer desk is equipped with 5 deep drawers, providing plentiful storage space for organizing all your work essentials. Say goodbye to cluttered desktops, with ample room to store laptop, books, office supplies, and paperwork. This practical storage solution ensures a cleaner, organized workspace, ultimately boosting productivity and offering peace of mind. Measuring an efficient 47 inches in length, the desk is specifically designed to optimize small spaces. No need to worry about cramping up your room. This modern computer desk fits snugly into small apartments, dormitories, or office spaces. The spacious 47.24-foot WX 17.71 D desktop and 5 drawers provide you enough workstation and storing space for layout your laptop, PC, keyboard, and desk accessories. The rustic brown home office desk brings a contemporary edge to any room with its sleek, modern design. The contrast between the brown and white elements adds a fresh, creative touch to your workspace. This versatile piece effortlessly complements a variety of decor styles, whether your interior leans more towards rustic simplicity or minimalist modernity. Number 3. Small Standing Laptop Desk. Elevate your office with a standing desk featuring the fixed desktop for steady support and a height-adjustable section that caters to your ergonomic needs. Enjoy a smooth transition from sitting to standing with ease. Personalize the sit-to-stand desk height to match your comfort level from 26.5 inch to 38.5. Whether it's the perfect standing position or a seated alignment, it ensures the optimal angle for minimal strain. Keep your office supplies within easy reach without cluttering your working spot, thanks to the bottom shelf. As needed, it can become a dedicated space for your CPU to build a well-organized workspace. Attending to your comfort throughout the day, the computer desk includes a thoughtfully designed footrest. It provides relief and support as you sit, enhancing circulation and reducing fatigue. Number 4. Height Adjustable Laptop Desk. The tall desk can reach a good ergonomic height, allow you to raise your monitor at comfortable eye level when standing, provides the correct standing height that helps your shoulders relax on desktop, reduce back and neck pain after sitting for a long time. The rollers glide across the floor easily and lock in place when needed. You can move your workspace from one place to another, which makes your life easier working at home. The rolling laptop side table is perfect choice for those who love using laptop and notebook all over the house. Keyboard tray runs on a smooth metal rail, easy to slide in and out, and aligns flush with the desk completely when not in use, leaving you with spacious desktop for your laptop or monitor. Number 5. Rolling Adjustable Laptop Desk. The height of the portable laptop desk can be adjusted from 27.2 inch to 45.3 as you wish, to sit or stand. 4 high-quality rubber wheels with lock make mobile stand-up desk move smoothly and stop wherever you want. Changing between sitting and standing avoids the health problems of a long time sitting. Standing up rolling computer desk promotes better posture, reduces back and neck pain, a more healthy working position for you. Thickened metal and high-quality MDF board have a 66 pounds weight capacity and keep stabilization, large enough for any size of computer. Sturdy hooks on either side provide you with additional storage. Portable design help you move standing desk around rooms, as office workstation in the study, or over the bed table in bedroom and end table beside the sofa. The wide space at the bottom is also ideal for a treadmill or walking pad.